Ford the river.
Ford the river.
Or really the Slew.
Yeah.
We can get across the Slew.
Ford the river sounds more impressive though.
Guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a few days since we filmed anything. I think we have been rained out now for about 4 days. It's a little cool outside this morning. I got the coat on this morning and the vest, or actually a jacket and the vest. It's not that cold here, but for Tennessee it's kind of cool. I think it's like 40 this morning, maybe 39 out. What's getting you is a breeze that's cutting through you today. So it looks like we're getting back in cornfield today. Looks like the ground dried out enough. Alex headed that way here in a minute. He was going to feed the cows, check on them, and go to the cornfield, start getting everything ready. I got a load of corn in the big rig here. We're going to take it down to the granary. Here, so we basically hauled some corn town, empty out, made some room in the grain bins because we're getting full like everybody else. We got like a lot of corn left to cut. So stick around today. Should be a good day. We'll get some stuff done today. I know we got to cross that creek today. Probably the last video I saw her tearing that beaver dam out. We tore that out on, I think it was Friday, maybe Saturday. Today is Tuesday, November the 2nd. So it's been a few days. Water should be down some. It did rain a little bit. But we'll get back in there today, get some video of that, filming that. So stick around. Should be a good day. And we'll get back with you guys here in a minute.
Well, if you can hear it, we got the air compressor running. That's a flat tire. It's only been sitting here since last Thursday, and it's now a Tuesday. So hopefully we just picked up a small pinhole and it leaked off. So we got the emergency truck AC compressor that is the old off-road compressor that used to be able to air up a 44-inch bogger in about 5 minutes. So we're gonna try it there up the front. Maybe it works, maybe it don't. If it don't, we'll have to take the tire off, go get it fixed. So we'll check back on y'all just a little bit. As you can see, the water's off the tire, so the little emergency compressor's working. Got a little more forward progress, almost don't have a wrinkle in it. Tire's aired up. So, flat tire's fixed. But semi-stuck. It ain't stuck, it's just spinning on top of the ground. I had chisel plowed this edge to bust up some tree roots, and I forgot to tell him not to pull out the field, but it happened, so we're gonna hook the old handy dandy blue truck to it and see if we can't pull it out. Get my hubs locked in. Gotta get the power factor going.
Where's the chain at?
It's in a bag back there. It's a brand new chain.
Oh, it's in the bag.
Yeah, brand new chain. Got a brand new chain too.
There.
Ain't used it yet.
Awesome.
Bag of chain. Not only get to fix tire, pull the truck out, we're gonna try the new chain out. Look how shiny it is. We pulled the bumper off this honk out. Whoa! Never underestimate the power of a straight 6. All right, folks. She's moving. And so the truck wasn't, the semi wasn't stuck. It was just sitting there spinning out. Sure, the old Blue spun out pulling her, but she pulled her. And the truck wasn't loaded. So he was just getting up here and spinning out and going that way. Is downhill, so the trailer was downhill, truck was uphill, and it was just spinning Like I said before, this edge right here I chisel plowed, trying to break up some tree roots. So I parked the dump truck just outside the field. I got the blue truck parked out of the way. We're going to get in the combine, fired up. Can't run the grain cart yet, it's got water in it. Had it tarped up, but the tarp held some water, and when I rolled it over, all the water went down into it. So Jesse's gonna clean that out while I put this dump in the semi, and then we'll get to running. So that's how things are going so far. You know, some days are kind of meh, some days ain't. Right now it's been like that. Good news is tire aired up and the semi got pulled out. So that's a plus. So we'll get in the combine in a second and I'll get back with you. All right, folks, we're in the combine. About to put a dump in the semi. So for right now, we're having to drive up to where we are from the other farm, which is not very far, maybe 100 yards. Gotta get my jacket off, my vest off. I decided to wear it. It was cool enough this morning. I broke a jacket out, but it got pretty warm this afternoon. And we tried to get running early this morning, but that didn't happen. Got down here at 11. It's about 20 after 1 now. We're finally getting going good. So it's a little bit tight back in here. If I had the paint head on, I couldn't do this, but I got the corn head on. So Jesse's right over here. Coming right up and cleaning the grain cart out. The plus side to the 1210, it does have a hopper bottom. So the entire bottom opens up, which works out great for things like this. When the little bit of corn that stays in there gets wet, you need to get that cleaned out so they don't contaminate the dry corn. Oh, these inroads in this place are terrible. Got a lot of deer pressure on them. And crows this year. Crows got into my inroads. Probably don't have about, maybe about a 50% stand on my inroads. There's a tree down in the corn. I'm going to cut up close to it. I've already cut close to that as I can for right now. So what I'll do is open up inroads this way, and I'll turn back around and come back towards it and get what's there. So down here where we're getting to now, we're going to be uphill from the beaver dams. We're going to be up on this bluff looking down onto it. Hopefully, they are still open. But we won't know until we get around to them. Just right back over in there. So, I'll show you where the beavers got in the corn. You can see right here, that's your trail. Come out. All the corn is super thin back here on this edge. And I'll back up a little bit and I'll show you that they already have their dams back where we tore them out. Of course, it's been several days. Get a better shot. I don't know if y'all can see it through the trees like I can. Better shot. So if you see right here, that's the dam. It's all back. Every bit we tore out is back, which we knew that would happen. So we get down this field this evening, we'll probably go down there and tear the dam out again, open the barrels back up so they'll start flowing. Good news is with the barrels, it's easy to tear out. So did have Jesse get me right back to the house a while ago. Stopped by the house to pick up the other dump truck, and I got my waders. That way I can go tear the tiles back out. As you can see over here, got all this cut. Working on the front, we just got this little corner back here to do. Got all that over there. There's probably 6 trees around this property, or on this top field, that have fell over in the field. luckily I'm needing some firewood, so we'll come back up here and cut these trees up in that field. On rough figures, looks like the field's doing pretty good. Maybe about 185, which is good for down here where we're at. Considering all the wildlife, you got turkeys, turkey pressure, you have deer pressure, and you have pressure from crows. The crows give me a hard time right after I plant it until the corn is probably, oh, maybe 2-3 inches out of the ground. Before that, before it's that tall, they will pull it out of the ground like it's nothing. Well, we're down here at the dam now, so I'll show you. Barrel's still in and it's still flowing, but they got the front plugged up a little bit, and I got the other barrel over there plugged up. So it won't take too long to get her flowing again.
Got them tore out.
Yep. So with the barrels, it takes about 5 minutes to tear them out, and they're flowing again.
It's nowhere near deep as it was the other day. Other day the water's flowing over that ridge here, so it wasn't that deep. So
yep, water was over that stump, water was over that stump over there, water was almost over that stump. But as you can see, the water market's already dropped almost a foot. We've been down here about, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes.
Maybe 15 minutes. Anyway, we'll get back up to tractor and combine and see if we can
ford the river.
Ford the river.
Or really the slough.
Yeah.
We can get across the slough.
Ford the river sounds more impressive though.
Yep.
Ford the river. All right, we'll get back with you in a little bit.
Here comes the fun part and the tight part where we squeeze between these trees going down into the slough. Just barely get through. You can see we're in the water now. So that got us through the water. I'm gonna set y'all down for a little bit and get to opening these inrows up, and I'll get back with y'all. Until then. All right, folks, we got us 2 loads cut. We're gonna call it for evening. Gonna head back across the old slough here. Water's still pretty deep on it. Deep enough to get up in the combine, at least I don't think. We'll know once we get out of it. Look, we'll see how deep it was, but we're across. SCR took a load out in the grain cart. But this here's where I'm gonna leave y'all for today. Appreciate y'all being with me. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Hope y'all had a really good day today. Mine had some touch and go issues there, but we got past them. So if you like it, you know, subscribe if you want to. Drop a comment if you feel like it. Like always, we appreciate you being with us. And good Lord willing, we'll catch you on the next one.